Hello world, it's time for a quick fix. If you're using Expo and your keyboard is pushing your content up like this as you focus on the input fields, then this fix is really easy. However, if you are not using Expo, you can find a similar fix at the end of this video. So the first step is to open app.json, then locate the Android key which has the configuration for Android. Now add software keyboard layout mode inside this Android configuration and give it a value of pan, but this will not fix it just yet. Now make sure to save your changes and then reload the Expo server by pressing R on the terminal where you have Expo running. And should this not work, you could restart the Expo server altogether, and that is it. Now when you focus on the input fields, the keyboard will not push your content up. If you learned something new, go forward and teach others that you may grow together. Always remember, you stop growing when you stop learning. And with that, until the next one.